Howdy, I'm Derek, and for this episode of Lambda of the Week, we're covering a custom Excel Lambda function called sheet name. If you're new to Lambda, please check out the video that previews this entire series using a link in the comments below. If you want to get a free workbook containing this one and a few others, then please see the link in the comments below. If you want to get a copy of the entire custom Lambda function template library that I like to use with 70 plus of them, including examples of each, then there's a link in the comments below to that as well. So for this week, we're going to look at one called sheet name. Okay, so if we go over here to cell A2, notice I'm using a function starting with an L underscore. That way you can tell your lambdas apart from the ones that are built into Excel. This one is really basic. There are no arguments. It just is going to give you the name of the sheet. Okay. Now, because that's the same exact name of the sheet that I've got down here, I want to show you how this one works and why it's helpful. Because who would want to type all this stuff out, kind of extracting that from the cell information every single time, right? So that's why I use custom Lambda functions like this, because of simplicity, reusability, and then let's say that you need to make an update to how that works. Maybe you want to add a prefix or a suffix or something. Make that change one time in the name manager there, and then it's reflected throughout your entire workbook. Could not be simpler. That is it for this episode of Lambda of the Week. Remember to get your free copy of this workbook, or even better, a copy of all the ones that we're going to use throughout 2026, and then some, using the links in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment on what you liked, share with a friend, and of course subscribe so you don't miss out on other great Excel tools, tips, and tricks like this weekly Lambda of the Week series. Thanks for watching and have an excellent rest of your day.